Good thing we're pulling that engine out. This is Bobby T, and you're watching Makeshift Garage. Woo! You're watching Makeshift Garage. Welcome back to Makeshift Garage, broskies. Hey, we took a road trip to pick up a van, but on the way we stopped at RK's house, so let's knock on the door and see if anybody's home. We got to pick up some rims. Devin bought them a long time ago, and RK's been housing them here. Let's check it out. Okay, good to see you, son. How are you? We're here. 4-hour trip, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know we woke you up on the phone. We had to call him and get him out of bed. It's early. It was about a 4-hour trip, man. It was pretty good, though. Straight run, the rims, where are they?
They're right there. You can finally get rid of them.
They've been sitting on your porch for how long?
I don't even know how long.
I think it was about 4 months now. He picked them up for $100. Hey, it's not a bad deal, but they're ugly. Look at these things. Come here, look at these things. I hope it holds air. That's a nice pointer you got there. They hold air, though. See, there's nothing went through. It's just all surface stuff. This is what Devin wants to do. He wants to shine them up. He wants to put a clear coat on them, and then he wants to use them. But I say, look at these rubber, man. This rubber looks good on this side. Let's see this side. Uh-oh, we got dry rot. Look at the other side. Take a look at that. With that amount of dry rot, it looks like they hold air, but the only thing they're good for is we'll put them on the car and spin the rubber right off them. Overall, I guess you got some nice patina looking rims. By the way, we're up here to pick up a van. So that's what we made. The real trip was for the van. Somebody gave us a free van. His name is Ryan. He called us up and he says, dude, I got this van. It's parked in a parking lot. I live in an apartment complex. I really got to get rid of it. I thought I was going to use it. I set it up for detailing cars. I'm not doing that anymore. And now I got this thing. It's got a 275 bladder that holds water. You could power wash right out of the van. You could, all kinds of neat stuff. The first thing that hit my mind is I really don't need another vehicle. But when he said he had this bladder, we have no water at the shop. I could fill it up, drive it to the shop. We could now have water. We could power wash engines. We could power wash the cars. So I said, you know what? Let's take the road trip. We got to go get the rims anyways. We'll rent a U-Haul trailer. We'll pick up the van and we'll head back home. Next weekend, we got to go pick up a donor Newport for the 53 station wagon. And then the weekend after that, we got to come back to Jersey and pick up a 64 Falcon. That's a lot of driving around. But you know what? In between this and that, if you guys got a 9-inch rear, hey, we're looking for parts, man. We need some 9-inch rears for all our cars. Nice Ford rears. We got all kinds of different rears, but no 9-inch Fords. We want to get them all to match so we can change the pumpkins out of them, take them to the racetrack, have fun with them.
Don't let him take your 9-inch rears. He loves rears.
Only a 9-inch rear, though. So, thank you for housing the rims for like so long.
Of course.
Hey, look him up, man, on YouTube. Rah. He's got a cool channel. If you guys are gamers, man, he's into it. So we're going to get the rims. We're going to get going. We're going to go pick up this van.
Yeah.
I love you, bro.
Love you too.
All right. So we'll let you know how the day goes. We're going to show you some shots of this van when we get over there. Let's do it. All right, so we made it, dude. Hey, we're in the mountains, man. Everything was uphill, downhill, uphill. We got the trailer. We hooked it up, and we're here. You know what? We're meeting Ryan right now. Ryan,
What's
brother.
up?
Good to meet you. It's good to see you. We talked on the phone. We've been texting back and forth. He's like, yo, dude, come get the van if you want it. And guess what? It's got 500,000 miles on it, and it still runs. It's got a 305 in it, and we happen to have a 350 at home that we could pop in it, and we have a tranny we could pop in it. We're thinking about sanding it down, painting it black, and putting Makeshift Garage, the makeshift machine on the side. What do you think? Like the Scooby-Doo machine? Or like the A-Team machine?
A-Team, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get it done, man.
About $1 for everyone that said they want me to make that A-Team van.
The A-Team, man. Tell us about this van,
So this
man.
is an 85. I drove it up from Tennessee. I drove 2 hours to buy this when I was in it. It's originally from Nashville. Solid as a rock underneath. Frame spotless. Has 500,000 miles on it, and it just won't quit. I've put a Holley 4-barrel on it. I've done plugs on it. I've done wires on it. I've done all kinds of shit for it. I got swivel seats for it. I'll have to get those to you another time. Fires right up usually. Everything in it's solid though.
This is perfect for what we want it for.
Exactly.
For what we want it for. It even comes with ladder racks. Look at that. I
Yeah,
can store
so you
my
can
ladders up there.
put all
on
your
the
ladders up
makeshift
there?
machine. She's got a couple little tiny spots. That's nothing. In 1985, that's 30 years ago already. That's 85, 95,
That's
100.
40 almost.
Oh, almost 40 years. So guess what? I could get this insured for like $50 a year. That's all. Put it on Haggerty. Yo, Haggerty, we got another one for you. So check it out, man. He's got the hose hook up. We got this bladder, which is cool. I'm not gonna leave this in the van. I think I'm gonna pull it out and plant some shrubs around it and leave it by the shop.
Hell
And then
yeah.
use it for water, you know?
Why not?
Then we can fill it up. We'll have water there. Look how solid everything is. Once we just clean everything out of it, we'll gut it, we'll empty it, man. Solid. Somebody painted it gray. It was red. That would have been cool. But
I
guess
don't know
what?
why they painted it.
It doesn't matter. We're going to sand it down. Maybe we'll hit it with a stripper. Maybe we'll strip this thing down and really bring it back. That would be
Why
nice.
not?
Why not do it? I know everybody out there is going to be like, dude, I'll take it. Bring it to my house. But she'll look good with a nice high gloss black with some clear coat on it. Woo!
It's solid.
She's solid.
Look how straight it is too. It's all straight.
Straight and solid. Yeah,
what
you
you
don't
like.
find that too much. And everybody knows we're Ford guys, and we're starting to get some Chevys.
I'm a Ford guy too.
You're a
honestly.
Ford guy too. We do have a 67, Chevy Camaro, and we do have a couple of Mopars, and we do have a GM Cadillac, and now we got a GMC van.
Yep.
So this will be fun.
This is plastic. and
Oh, got
That
you.
actually broke when I was loading it up last time on the
You
trailer.
got the metal one. Got you.
And this is brand new too, and you can't find these anymore either.
Yeah.
That's from 1985 apparently.
It's an 85. Hey, we're gonna make it work. 1985 apparently, huh?
It's red. It matches.
We were gonna pull it out with the van because it's stuck. So guess what? We crammed the board under there. That might work. What do you think? Think that'll work?
Maybe.
Let's see. So listen, the plan is to rip this motor out, but she still runs 500,000 miles and it runs. Straighten out the wheel. Good. Now let him go. Whoa, stop there. Yeah, she's
Stuck.
she's definitely not, she's stuck. We're gonna have to yank it out with the van.
Let me shut those
It
doors.
just burned out. That's the beauty of these trailers, man. I'm gonna buy one of these. One went for sale down in Florida, and it was $2,000. And the girl on the phone goes to me, "Hey, if you negotiate with him, you could probably get it for 15. If I wanted to drive to Florida, I could get this very trailer at 2017 for $1,500 and never rent again."
Supposedly, I think I have paperwork somewhere. I have to find that, but it's supposedly originally from North Carolina,
Oh wow.
and then it went to Nashville,
Right.
in like the early '90s, and now it's in Jersey. And I can't drive this van honestly without people bothering me and asking me what the hell,
Where'd you get that van?
because it's not rusty.
And we got the paperwork, so that's always good. They're all aluminum. You could polish them and shine them up. And the ones that are 50, 60, 70, 80 years old, man, they look brand new. This thing is on its last leg too, but you know what?
Don't you have another van?
We're making it work. Yeah, we got another van, and that one's for the boneyard. And then this one's on its, it's got some miles on it too. So
But this is the one that's always spitting plugs.
this one spit a plug a couple of times, yes. So let's hope it don't spit one on the way home.
Just wait till you are home, then it can do that.
Let's
That
see.
way you can fix
yeah.
it.
This thing is like really cool underneath. Everything is, you should see what I'm working on now, my 99. I don't know if I'm gonna get the hub off. All right, I'll go slow until I get to the end of my rope.
All right.
You wanna start it anyways, or just put it in neutral? What do you wanna try to do?
Man, let's put it in neutral because I don't know how much coolant's left in it.
I'm thinking we're gonna pull up and try to get her out. Let's see if we can do it. We good?
Yeah, we're out now.
Good?
Sometimes there's logging trucks that come up here,
Well, we'll try to be quick.
but it's Saturday, so they don't work on Saturdays.
Oh.
An oil change sticker on it from 2003
Wow.
with 136,000 miles on it.
All
So
right.
they drove the living piss out of this thing. The guy that I rent from tells me this Jeep has been here 15 years. And he hasn't seen the guy in 15 years, and it's been sitting there 15 years. And it's pretty clean too. These are the keys, by the way, to the van.
Oh, there's the key. Well, we have a Ford key at home just like it, but.
Actually, I had an old Ford years ago. I had probably about 25 different keys for it just because the ignition switches kept breaking. So instead of replacing the column, I just kept replacing the ignition switches. I've had so many of them. I've probably had about 15 of those old Ford trucks.
Just in time for the rain, man. Hey,
Yeah,
guess
right?
what? We lost our windshield wipers. We had to put Rain-X on. Yeah, you got to go over some. You're too,
Oh, okay. I can't see nothing.
yeah, I was telling you go this way because
Oh.
it hits too hard. So you got to try to cut the wheel over this way and then straighten it out.
Okay.
I'll have you miss this, you know. Or back up a drop, I don't know. Woo!
I don't know why it's making that noise.
You got to come this way. And then I'll tell you when to turn it back. Yeah. All right.
More?
No, that's good. But cut the wheel this way. Yeah, no, straight, a little bit that way. Good. This way. Straight, right there. Come on. Oh, you're just hitting too far. It might poke a hole. Can you turn the wheel that way or no? Yeah, come on. Wait, go back. All right, cut the wheel a little bit that way. Yeah, come on. And then I'll tell you to straighten it out in a minute. Ready? Come on. Straighten it out. Straight, no, just straight, yep.
Yeah, there we go.
Straight. Hold, stop. Devin, we're not ready. Stay there for a minute. Just keep it straight.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go like this.
Okay.
And you're gonna be at the end.
Okay.
Woo! Good thing we're pulling that engine out. Woo!
I don't know why it's making that noise. That's a new noise.
That's brandy new, bro. We like it. Come on, Billy. You got like that much to go. Yup, nice and straight. Keep coming. You got about a foot. Good. Ready? Go ahead. Hold on. Let it back up a drop. If you let it back up about 6 inches and then go for it, you'll probably get it. All right, it's right there. Good.
Okay.
Wow, that's amazing. Oh, you know what that is, right, broskies?
Flex plate.
Woo-hoo! That flex plate is done. Come on.
What we could possibly do, if you want to set the trailer down, we could yank it with the van forward a little bit.
Oh,
You got to come along? Oh, let's get our come along. Look at this.
Yep, that's
Hey, what's your name? Chaz. Chaz. Makeshift garage, bro. Welcome to the makeshift garage. Thank you, man. Thank you.
come on. Yeah.
Thank you. Welcome to the come along store. Thanks, Chaz. All right, let's get her up. I'm trying not to get killed by this. Chaz lent me a death trap. No. She's straight now. Look at that brand new bumper. She's straight. All right.
Is that all she wrote?
That's all she wrote. Put the brake on. I don't know if it's got emergency, but it doesn't matter.
I don't know.
Nah,
that
because
ever
it
worked.
wouldn't. Yeah. Well, we did it, Chaz. We couldn't have did it without that come along. Wouldn't have happened. Thank you, brother. All right, we'll bring it right to you in a second. All right, so we're up. We're locked down halfway. I'm going to lock the other half down. I'm going to lock all the chains down. We're going to secure it real good. Thank you, brother.
Yep, no problem.
It's been fun. We'll stay in touch. Hey, maybe
Yes,
we'll
sir.
get that metal grill with the round headlight thing. We'll hook
The
this thing
swivel
up.
seats.
Yeah, it's got swivel seats for it. Maybe we'll do that on one of the next trips when we head up.
Yeah.
We got to head up. We got to actually head up because we got to pick up a 1971 Newport, which is a donor car. Too bad, the car's kind of nice, you know. I hate to rip it apart and just use the frame, but we're gonna do it. It's got a 383 with a 727 and disc front brakes. It's going under a 1953. We're excited about that. And this one, we're just gonna yank the motor out, obviously, rebuild it, pop it back in with the transmission we have, and we're gonna paint it black and put the makeshift machine on the side. Woo, Scooby-Doo. Gotta come back and we got a 1964 Falcon with a 9-inch rear. Anybody else got a 9-inch rear? We need a couple of them. He gave us one, Dallas gave us one. He hooked us up with the Falcon and the rear. Free, baby. Hey, when it's free, it's for me. I love making race cars, taking them down the track, and then letting everybody else drive them too. Let's have fun. Yeah, we can make a wheelie car out of it. If we put
be
the
a
motor
great
in the
move.
back, we can get a wheelie truck out of it, wheelie van. If you like what you see and you want to see more, hit us up on YouTube. And don't forget to hit the little bell on YouTube. When we post, you'll get a notification. Hey, I just want everyone to notice it's a Ford towing a Chevy. I'm just saying.